This is Victor with Auto Lush, and today we're actually going to be picking up a new classic car for the channel. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Stick around. Can you guys guess what it is? It's another 1965, and it is a convertible. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Let's go check it out. We got a 3-hour drive to go check out this car and see if we're going to purchase it. And it is going to be a great deal, actually, because it's already listed for a great deal. And we're going to offer a better deal when we're there. So stick around, guys, and come and see what we're going to get today. Look at all these beautiful cars, guys. Check this out. One of my friends here, we're going to pick up the truck and the trailer to go pick up that classic car. So, man, this is beautiful. Right now we're filling up the diesel truck so we can go pick up this car right now. We got a 3-hour drive. See how much it's gonna cost to fill her up. Right now we're at $46. So let's fill her all the way up and head on this journey right now. We're running a little bit behind, but it's okay. We're gonna get there soon enough and come back hopefully without traffic. So once we get there, we'll show you what we're picking up today, and it's gonna be a great success. We made it back to the shop, guys, and this is the car that we had picked up. Check it out. So the only issue with this car is the front bumper. It was next to the beach, so it's starting to rust, and it was sitting outside for 3 years. Now, I got so lucky with this car, guys, but this is a 1965 Mustang Convertible, and you guys will not guess on how much I purchased this car for. Look at how clean this car is first. Now, it is missing the emblem, which is inside, but check out the paint job. It is so clean here. So clean. Now look at that. Look at how clean that is. Now go into the interior. The interior is super clean as well here. Now it does have air conditioning and a heater, and I did not know that when I was purchasing the car, because all my other classics don't have it. So I didn't even think about it, but they do work. Check out that old school radio. It is Bluetooth too. It's pretty cool. And look at all this. Look at how clean it is. Man. Now we are doing engine work on the car. The carburetor had to get rebuilt because it was leaking gas. And we're doing a tune-up on the whole car. Now, the car, we needed to put coolant, flush that out, and we're gonna change out all the spark plugs because they are old. Change that up, part of the tune-up process. Get this clean, and she'll be ready to go. Now, this car, you'll also be able to rent this car for weddings, events, photographs, video shoots, of chauffeur drives, for sightseeing. So if you want to rent this car out, this car will be available very soon. And she's very beautiful. Now, ding, 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 ding. Guess how much I purchased this car for? Purchased the car for $17,000, guys. I did find this car from an older lady, that's why this car is so immaculate. Her husband did purchase this car and built this car for her. Fortunately, he passed away 6 years ago. She could not maintain the car, and I got lucky to be able to purchase this car from them and her. So I know this car was well kept until 3 years ago, because it was sitting outside for 3 years and she couldn't maintain the car, couldn't keep up with the car. So, and she was getting sad that it was starting to do this. So she wanted it to go to a good home. Now it's at the shop and she's in a good home now. So can't wait to start showing this car around and showing the history on this car and telling more about the car, because that's what we are here at Auto Lush. We love to show and provide a car like this and tell the stories of cars like this. And you know, being able to do that is a blessing for us, to for them to know the backstory on this car before I purchased it.